Example 1. So today I will tell you how to make a simple app using the app Inventor. So firstly you have to open the website ai2.appinventor.mit.edu. Its link will also be available in the description. So firstly you have to click on start new project, and here you have to enter your app's name. For example, I am entering game, and then you have to click on OK. So after a few seconds a new screen will open. So it has opened. So firstly we will change the name of the screen. So I will name this, so we can do it from the right hand side, and I will name it game 1. We have to type the name under the title, so we can go upside and then we can see the change in the whole page. And after that we can also add a web viewer option to open a website. For example, I'm adding a game link in it that I have made. You can also play that game from the descriptions link. So I will copy the link and go to MIT App Inventor and paste it here in the home URL. After doing that, I will press enter. So it would be ready. So let's save it. I will click on build and I will click on Android app.apk. If you want to upload it on any website, so we will take apk. If you want to upload it to the Play Store, then you will take the AAB, Android app bundle. So I'm just taking the Android app format apk. So it's downloading. So it will take a few moments to download, and after that you will get the APK. So now the loading have been completed. So now I will click on download.apk now. So after clicking on it, the APK file have been successfully downloaded, and now I will send it to the mobile phones or on any website on which I want to upload it. So now I have sent the APK to a mobile phone. So I will click on the APK and click on open. So it will ask that do we want to install the app, then I will click on install. So it will also be come an error that it is blocked by Play Protect, so you have choose install anyway. So after doing that, there will be two options, done or open. So if you don't want to open and just leave it, then you have to click on done. But if you want to open it, then you have to click on open. So I'm clicking it on open. So after I click on open, it will take some time to load the website which address I have entered. So it has been opened. So now I will execute the game. So it is game. When we will click on that balloon, so we'll get the scores, and the game is made by me, and you can also play the game with on the link in the description on the Scratch, and I have made several other games. You can also play them, and my Scratch ID is mastermaker306. Thanks, have a nice day, and please subscribe my channel and like the video if you have liked it.